Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how we can use Autofit feature on our table in Microsoft Word. Okay, let's get into it guys. Here I have opened my Microsoft Word document and I'm going to show you how we can use Autofit feature on this table. As you can see guys, this is my table and my table is messy, right? It's a little bit messy and I'm going to show you how we can use the Autofit feature to make this table more organized. Okay, we can select the table like this and then we can go to the table layout, and here we'll find the Autofit feature, and you can read the information about Autofit. Automatically resize the column in your table and set your columns to be the same width as your content, or choose for your table to stretch across the page. And here we'll have three options: Autofit contents, window, and fixed column width. But here I'm just going to choose, for example, Autofit content. Okay, and this is the result guys, and I'm going to try the Autofit window as well. Okay, I think I will go with this one guys. This one is better. And okay, as you can see that my table looks better than before, right? Okay guys, and that's all the way to use Autofit feature on our table in Microsoft Word. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye!